Are weighted blankets good for arthritis? If you're struggling with arthritis and wondering if weighted blankets could be a helpful addition to your pain management routine, you're in the right place. Let's explore how these blankets might make a difference. Arthritis is a complex condition that causes pain, inflammation, and limited movement. It can be really tough to manage, especially when it comes to getting a good night's sleep. This is where weighted blankets come into play. Weighted blankets provide something called deep pressure stimulation. This means they apply a gentle, even pressure across your body, which can be very soothing. For people with arthritis, this pressure can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. It's almost like getting a constant, gentle hug that calms your body and mind. One of the key benefits of weighted blankets is their ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Many people with arthritis have trouble sleeping due to pain and discomfort. The weight of the blanket can make you feel secure and calm, leading to better sleep and fewer night awakenings. To get the most out of a weighted blanket, it's important to choose the right weight. Generally, you want a blanket that is about 10% of your body weight. So, if you weigh 190 pounds, look for a 19-pound blanket. This ensures the pressure is distributed evenly and comfortably. The fabric of the blanket is also important. Opt for breathable materials like cotton or bamboo. These help regulate your body temperature during sleep, which is especially useful if you experience body temperature changes due to arthritis. Using a weighted blanket can also have mental benefits. The deep pressure stimulation helps release feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which can reduce pain and improve your mood. Plus, it can lower cortisol levels and reduce anxiety, helping your body switch from a fight or flight mode to a rest and digest mode. When starting to use a weighted blanket, it's a good idea to begin with short periods, like while watching TV or reading, to let your body adjust. Then, you can gradually make it part of your nightly routine for lasting results. Some people also find it helpful to combine the weighted blanket with other therapies, such as heat therapy. Using a warm compress or a heated mattress pad along with the blanket can provide an extra dose of joint relief. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using a weighted blanket, especially if you have any concerns or physical limitations. They can give you personalized advice based on your needs and condition. In summary, weighted blankets can indeed be a great tool for managing arthritis symptoms. They offer pain relief, improve sleep quality, and promote overall relaxation. While they shouldn't replace medical treatments, they can certainly be a valuable addition to your arthritis management plan. So, if you're looking for a new way to ease your arthritis discomfort, a weighted blanket might just be what you need.